Stop!
Quickly leave here. What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
I'm fine.
Sit on that chair. Let me bandage your wound.
Okay. Thank you.
Come home with me.
Okay.
I don't think so. No. I don't think so.
Let's eat.
No, it's never,
So many delicious dishes.
After eating, I will take you to supper.
No.
Thank you.
I don't think so.
Buy whatever you like.
Really?
That's right.
What's up?
You are so beautiful.
Thank you.
Make friends with him.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at some stuff.
Let's go home.
Okay.
I go to work.
Be careful at work.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. My stomach hurts so much.
What happened?
Need urgent surgery.
So let's have surgery.
Okay.
Congratulations to you and your baby.
Thanks you very much.
I'm going to take care of the birth certificate for your baby now.
What am I supposed to do now? This should do the trick on him. Look at you two. You're like twins.
I sent the baby's birth certificate to the family.
What is this? Why does it look like Udin? I want an explanation.
I'm sorry.
Let me check it once more. How dare you betray me?